Kia ora, adventurers. As you're about to see, New Zealand is a land of pure wonder, full of epic landscapes, amazing travel experiences, and a hobbit or two. I'm Zoe, a Flight Centre travel expert born in Whakatane, New Zealand. Today we're going to explore this beautiful country and prep you with everything you need to know to plan a trip. From the north to the south, we'll leave no stone unturned. But first, I'd like to clear something up. As a Kiwi, I often get asked, which is best, the North Island or the South? Now come a little closer and I'll let you in on a secret. The truth is, it doesn't matter. Both islands are 100% pure magic. We start our journey in the North Island, a place as vibrant as it is geologically active, offering an enticing blend of culture and awesome landscapes. Our first stop is Auckland, the energetic city of sails, because Aucklanders love getting out on the water. A visit to the Sky Tower is a must for panoramic views over the city and Waitemata Harbour. If you're a rugby fan, check out the All Blacks experience and uncover the rich history and legendary moments behind New Zealand's most famous team. Or dive into the immersive world at Weta Workshops and get hands-on with movie magic.
We've invited you here because we reckon there might be a maker in all of you. And I'm constantly amazed by the capacity that people find within themselves to create.
Next, we head to Rotorua, a geothermal wonderland brimming with steam, bubbling mud pools, and spectacular geyser action. Here, you can also get a powerful glimpse into Māori culture at Te Puia before soothing your soul in natural hot springs at the Polynesian Spa. For a burst of activity, head to the hills on the edge of town to try out the gondola, luge, and zipline at Skyline Rotorua. The mighty Waikato region is a land of rolling green hills. Here, you'll find the magical Hobbiton Movie Set. It's a delight for the young and old, where you can step foot into the Shire and live out those Lord of the Ring fantasies. It's okay, we all have them. On a guided tour of Hobbiton, you can wander along Bagshot Row before dropping into the Green Dragon Inn for a bevy of Hobbiton's very own South Farthing range of beer and cider. For a different kind of adventure, the nearby Waitomo Caves offer a glittering spectacle. Millions of tiny glowworms lighting up the dark caverns like a starry sky. It's pure magic. Finally, we arrive in Wellington, a city known for its wind, but will absolutely blow you away. See what I did there? New Zealand's capital is also its creative capital. It's a hub of art and culture and fantastic food. You can explore the world-famous Tekapo Museum, take a ride on the city's iconic cable car for wide-angle harbour views, and get a taste of Wellington's thriving cafe and restaurant scene. Now we take the ferry across the Cook Strait to the wild and rugged South Island, a place where adventure lives around every corner and towering mountain peaks will make you feel small, but in a good way. Sunny Nelson is a laid-back artistic hub near the golden beaches of Abel Tasman National Park. You can kayak along the coast, hike through lush coastal forests, and discover why this region attracts so many visitors with its relaxed vibe, edgy art, and scenic beauty. Our journey then takes us to Christchurch, the Garden City, which has rebuilt itself with incredible resilience following an earthquake in 2011. You can enjoy a leisurely punt along the Avon River, wander through the botanical gardens, or catch a restored tram to New Regent Street for some boutique shopping. You might even like to rock up to the Riverside Market to try out sheep's milk gelato. Delicious! As we venture into the South Island high country, Lake Tekapo looks like something out of a dream, with its milky turquoise waters set against the backdrop of snow-capped mountains. This is a designated dark sky reserve, so when the sun calls it a day, the whole sky comes alive with millions of stars. You can visit the iconic Church of the Good Shepherd, or simply soak in the hot pools while gazing at the constellations. Queenstown is the undisputed adventure capital of the world, surrounded by the dramatic peaks of the Remarkables and the glassy waters of Lake Waikato. Whether you're bungee jumping for the first time, jet boating the Shotover River, whitewater rafting, or hitting the slopes in winter, Queenstown thrives on getting your heart racing. It's the sort of place that guarantees you'll get so tuckered out, you'll get a good night's sleep. If not, there's enough pubs, bars, and nightclubs in town to keep you partying into the wee hours. Next, get ready to be humbled by the sheer scale of Fiordland National Park. A cruise through Milford Sound reveals towering cliffs with waterfalls plummeting into the deep, dark water. For a more remote experience, you can explore the vast, serene wilderness of Doubtful Sound by kayak. A moment that will leave you completely speechless. New Zealand's identity is deeply rooted in Māori culture. Take the time to learn some key phrases like kia ora, hello, ngā mihi, best wishes, thank you, and ka kite anō, see you again. Attending a traditional hangi feast or watching a powerful kapa haka performance is a chance to connect with the living, breathing traditions that defines the motu, the land and islands. Many of the places I've mentioned offer immersive cultural experiences that give incredible insights into te ao Māori, the Māori world. You can experience Tātai Aroraki, or Māori astronomy, as part of Tekapo's Dark Sky project. Here, you'll learn to see the stars not just as points of light, but as an ancestral guide to planting, harvesting, weather prediction, and ocean navigation. In the Abel Tasman National Park, you can try your hand at traditional seafaring and learn the true meaning of teamwork as you paddle a waka, a large canoe amid the stunning coastal scenery. While visiting the mighty Waikato, you can learn about rongoa, traditional Māori herbal medicine, on a guided tour of Sanctuary Mountain, a beautiful eco-sanctuary that lets you experience New Zealand's natural environment as it was centuries ago. New Zealand is a true year-round destination. Each season reveals unique experiences. Summer is perfect for beaches, bushwalks, bungee jumping, and winery tours, with temperatures averaging between 15 and 25 degrees. The temperature varies thanks to New Zealand being a land of microclimates, from humid rainforests in the north to crisp alpine air in the south. Autumn brings a golden glow to the landscapes, while winter brings skiers and snowboarders to the powdery slopes of New Zealand's backcountry. The top spots being Queenstown and Wanaka in the South Island, and Whakapapa and Turoa in the North Island. With ski season spreading well into spring most years, New Zealand really is ideal any time of year. People see Sam and Frodo on these epic adventures, through thick forests, down raging rivers, and over volcanic terrain, and think, whoa, New Zealand must be a pretty tough place to get around. But really, that's not the case. Middle-earth's wizards have blessed the place with good quality roads. Hiring a car or camper van gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace, while an efficient network of buses and domestic flights connects all the major destinations. Just remember to book your transport in advance, especially in the peak season. And a tip for winter road trippers: inland areas of both islands can ice up occasionally. Even when driving conditions might not require you to fit snow chains, watch out for black ice. That's the kind you can't see on the road, and it tends to cling to bridges and shady spots even when it's sunny. New Zealand is a country that invites you to embrace it like a new best friend. From its living and thriving Māori culture, to its lofty lakes and landscapes, and all the way down to its fiery underbelly and enchanting glowworms. The New Zealand experience is as diverse as it is stunning. Talk to any Kiwi, and you'll be hard pushed to get us to shut up about how wonderful our country is. Seriously though, as a visitor to Aotearoa, New Zealand, you'll be welcomed with open arms, and you'll see just how eager we are to show you all the best bits. And believe me, there are lots. Did this video help you plan your next trip? Make Flight Centre your centre for travel, and subscribe for more expert travel tips, destination guides, and everything you need to know for your next adventure. Ka kite anō!